In the last video, we learned how to export the data to CSV file. We'll just replicate this code to export the data to TXT as well. And then I'll quickly show how to export to Excel as well. So instead of CSV, we just need to change this to TXT. The rest remains the same here. Add one more button. Export to okay, let's give it a try. So here's our file. Contains all the data for the state of TA, as you can see here. Okay, that will be it for this short video. In the next video, I'll demonstrate how to export in a similar fashion to Excel.